officially the Republic of Sierra Leone, located on the southwest coast of West Africa, sharing the southeastern border with Liberia, and bordered by Guinea to the north, is thriving, both politically and economically, in order to do not be left out on the African continent. The GDP of this country, known for its white sand beaches, is projected to increase to 4.8% in 2024, driven by the mining sector and the continued recovery of agriculture, manufacturing, construction and tourism. As mega projects is one of the key drivers of a country's economic growth and development, Sierra Leone isn't relaxed when it comes to setting up a number of mega. In this video, let's have a look at mega projects in Sierra Leone from 2024 through 2025 and on. Rehabilitation and extension of Bo-Kenema's distribution system project. This electric power project is aiming at upgrading and extending the Bo-Kenema power distribution network. It is identified as a key deliverable of the government's post-Ebola recovery program, which is in line with Sierra Leone's agenda for prosperity renewable focus. The project's focus will be on upgrading and building a 70 kilometers overhead 33 kilovolts line between Bo-Kenema, along with the construction of two primary substations and rehabilitation of two city centers 33 to 11 kilovolt substations in the armed areas. Also, it will include the extending of the medium voltage and high voltage distribution work in both cities, plus implementation of an end-user connection campaign with an aim of connecting over 37,000 additional households to the grid. It will provide services of preparation of designs and bid documents providing capacity building to electricity supply and distribution authority relevant stakeholders. Finally, it will enable arranging for temper our power generation in construction. The total project cost is $24.84 million. Betmai hydroelectric plant project. This electrical power project, which is under Sewer Energy Resources, Betmai and Climate Action Platform Global Energy Alliance for People and Planet, is a 27 megawatts run-of-a-river hydropower project on the Pampana River. This project is aimed at bringing affordable renewable electricity to an equivalent of 500,000 Sierra Leoneans. With a private capital investment of over $110 million injected into this project. The project is located near Betmai Falls in northern Sierra Leone, and also being near the country's iron ore mining hub and interconnected transmission lines to the capital city. Sewer Energy Resources has a US dollars denominated 25-year power purchase agreement from the government of Sierra Leone of $0.1 to $5 per kilowatt hours. Sierra Leone Alliance for Clean Cook Stoves and Fuels project. With a mission of mobilizing stakeholders, actors, and partners in the clean cooking sector to influence policy and stimulate investment, production, promotion, deployment, and adoption of clean cooking technologies (LPG), biofuels to over the obstacles that impede the production, deployment and use of clean stoves, liquefied petroleum gas, and clean biofuels in Sierra Leone. The project will deliver an effective and influential network platform reflective of the interest of all stakeholders in the clean cooking sector of Sierra Leone. with a target of seeing over 2 million people. Using clean cooking technologies and clean fuels, the project will facilitate commercial distribution and use of over 3 million clean, affordable, accessible, efficient and improved clean technologies come 2025 and adopting universal clean cooking solutions in Sierra Leone by 2030. Freetown-Lungi Airport Bridge Project. At a cost of over $1.5 billion, this 8 km bridge will link the Freetown to the town of Lungi, the airport's hub. With the project being under China Road and Bridge Corporation and ATEPA Group as contractors, the construction is in 2024, and it will take 3 years to build. Being part of President Julius Maada Bio's Big Five vision, which is aimed at enhancing Sierra Leone's technology and infrastructure, the project expected to improve transportation for both international and local travelers. Sierra Leone Solar PV Park Project. This 50 megawatt solar power project is planned in western area of Sierra Leone. Being a single-phase development, the project's construction is in 2024 and it will complete come 2026. The project is under Shenzhen Energy Group and Sunan Ascoli Power Company. The co-owner of the project is China Africa Development Fund and Shenzhen Energy Group itself, each having a 50% stake in this ground-mounted solar project. Freetown Wash, an aquatic environment revamping project. Covering the greater Freetown area, this project focuses on contributing 15% increase to safe water supply and 7% increase in access to improved sanitation in Sierra Leone. It also focuses on measures to institutionalize the integrated urban water management of Freetown Peninsula watershed at a total cost of $88.04 million. The project will benefit over 1 million for 100,000 people, being provided with access to safe water, including new access for 1 million people and restoration of the regular daily water service for 400,000 people. The project has over 2,700 jobs up for grabs, and it will reduce the impact of the extreme climate events to living conditions and enhancing resources sustainability of the protected forest area, the Western Area Peninsula watershed. The project will provide a firm foundation for long-term financial sustainability of Guma, Valley Water Company and Freetown City Council. Mabandare Solar PV Power Project. This 100 megawatts solar PV power project is planned in Sierra Leone. Being developed on a single-phase basis, its construction is in 2025 and its completion will be in 2026. The contractor involved in this project is China Energy Engineering, which is expected to render engineering procurement construction services for the project.